What you say? Say Omaya yetimu. Just say obi ofin na my so aba. And the can ya yeti ya my mu asem amaye.
In as much as say me no we adwin. Say
Kabrofu ni yo.
Me no we adwin. Say enema bi wo ho a abroso.
Yes.
It doesn't mean say emra no so wo ho na eye adwuma.
Emra na eye adwuma.
I mean, I was say
Emra na unti say GJ president. Who we journalist yawo. Unti say GJ president say abayi buy from 2025 ebesi ne journalist ya bu omo mu hu bi da 14 or 15 on time free DJ president o unti say osi journalist ya bu omo no last July or year press conference no na ya bu 14 eti na kamia say every month bia no na ya bu journalist mienu kache mi say meboa oti ase kache mi say meboa unti say am friends say Samson Ladia na de wo joy hwan ayeni dabi
Samson Ladia ayeni
I mean say o de ayeni o say repressive laws. Okay, repressive laws. I say laws wa a restricting nipa say wotimi open itself up e kasa a onsuro me ba hey magina ntia na producer frame me hwehwe kwa ho say wo bi mebom a me ti hey me
communicate ye obi abo
wo de ti me ka say me ni di ha ba me ni wo machi pa
sorted.
What you say? Sa na obeka because say see no unnim die besie. Sa na okache say for the past 8 years of Akufo-Addo no now we hear repressive laws wa edi ehin wo Jo Mahama aban mu NDC aban mu sisi a ebru Akufo-Addo 8 years. Enye me na me kan. Eye wo a journalist for na mo ka.
Do the right thing.
The right thing in there. So obi ti ni fie ni ebu ni dan tum ekọ ni bedroom sisa niam e wo ho de pekọ enu ni the right thing. Bank of Ghana governor ye penny be hu na teneta ye bo wura ni fie ADC of Dr. Bawumia o ye police ti say omo awo ekọ bu ni punani obi posti ade say doom so is back eno pe o Dumuso is back. Na ya de 10 Land Cruisers ko fa no. Menua ento wo a enka se eye. Na to wo a na abehu se asema ye ka no ehu hia. Ghana nya se ne de ma eja no ma the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Nya se ne ye. Se ne obi aka se na wosuro. Adenti.
Na se musumo ye arrest.
Ye arrest ni bia. Ye de no. O say journalist for ni bi wo ho a omo ansem wa omo kodi ye ene e de chi wo mo opa ma me set example but me I don't want to mention names but obi wo ho a o journalist a ye chi no a ye chi no because wa kodi fraud obi it was alleged say wa kodi fraud obi yes sir no ye chi wa we a journalist it doesn't mean say awo imu eyi just say untimi entimi chi wo ana
na we politician so a
yes
uni sa immunity say ufri abamu a
yentimi mecho
yentimi nchewa na yemfra o say brabe yin se bia
me say ebeye kakra no after say ye omu bi awie 2029 awie no what you say ye be bisa ye ho say
timu be bi
oh na maka on several platforms and this for be ye mobo say on be patch us yentie because adia ekoso no eya. Me, I feel for people. Me, I believe we say there is life after politics. What I say, but who deliberately, who said that at the boni dinipa, ye via what catch I say, would ye me nyobia, ya catch President Kufo, and any time now we now better reconciliation committee ni BMO.
Man for the mo kenyi nada. Nano. Omuhumu yasi mo serete say politicians we twa we every class with the crowd oba aban bai omo show
aban be na hwe
aban ya bai ye show
I'm the most person crowd me pacho there will na so betima kan wasem but metima ka cho say aban bai me ni the most complainant ma complain ya chere ma ache obia me kra ne de ma fa wo how ne abebrese mu acha nipa nyina
ade ende ne de o de ayo
na ya si uwura di preko anu a sa na wo beso a ananya sa wo cheche ma wontumi a wache me o sa wo cheche ma wontumi a wache me sa wo che ma so kofi dwuma a wache me because he raised me up baby amadu dia me ye bia maso kofi dwuma raised me up
for so didi aban mu
unti asema me ka chan
for wa bam
me say asema me ka unti dia me ka na say
me ti de wo kana se pa
na mo no na mo ne yan sresre ne anim se o me say NDC for mu muna kire ye
enti wo ma na mo sire nyina wani mu a
me say
wutiri dia wa mu na
me say asema me ka che o ne say omo no say na they were laughing with us ye nim say no mo be ye nim say NDC say pa no mo ba be
enti de hu na bontin nyina na ye yes na no ko same ye woni same no mo sire ne
asema ye ka no
fo hu yom se hwe ye kan
na
no eye wano wani
Sedon we a politician it doesn't mean say o culture what to atwene
I get it
obi susu wu a that is why ye tena se na ye sa amamre no you must understand you must feel for people what you say we a politician it doesn't mean say who needs our feelings na sa asem to wa ana asem to obi a utimi de ko jano no what you say papa na wo ye Sami Jamfi wo fa kan say na se wo no wo ye MPP ni o ana fi so wo ye NDC ni aware na Sami Jamfi no o ba ware ni mu dabe ana
na say
me say David sometimes you know people don't know but oware no dabe dabe ko abusuan ni mu dabe aware na de ni ko mu ba abusuan no e wo ho abusuan no mu free he aha I can tell you say about 80 to 90% of the people no are MPP
and your poor MPP for papa ma nyina yi o
why na nyina yi a year general secretary aba a year national organizer aba a year former running mate or several running mate as aba no wo say enye MPP for amba what do you mean
second we say who say mo ye party ne yi no mo anya ne sa
me say
because who can say me first time
general secretary me say general secretary ko ba bia nya ye nyina na
ya mom de
enti no me say there's life after politics
I see
Sami Jamfi ya ware na de ni wura abusuanim but abusuana nkasa wo ho abusuana sefo an officer Sami Jamfi ko na inviting governor na people are misleading people officer no kwa eto oba papa ne mma no ensefo no Sami Jamfi nko a onu kwa
onu so na na ebori din
unte dia ye kana nti onu kwa na ware wa abusuani
microbi bisa me questions na ye onu kwa na am say anu de meeting
ene esa no mbeka no but there are reasons sometimes obekwa ye ni bekura unnim but future adenti na okosa ade no
what you say mo wi aye ma say microphone trotro na party no nya happy with mpanimfo eba aye ni bi ni adenti you are telling me for the first time say ono crown papa no cry MPP ni ansa cry na Sami Jamfi ko
na me say aware
mo be ye mo party ba yi
yes me say aware na de Sami Jamfi ko abusuani mu a wo ye NDC ni
okay
what you say na abusuana nkasa do mu nya NDC fo what you say wo ye bibia no a dwenko akire wo nwe animanimu he ya dwenko abusia o na wo asema to wo mo na wo ko gya wo mo what I say enya political party na ukoja wo mo na why na ma yi chief justice o ana muma hu me kokosua ade wa ade na se o me kokosua ade ankasa e wa ayi na se I went to learn what I say me picky details I went to learn
we uko confirm ni ma so ana wan confirm bi
me confirm ni ma ben me say me picky details how relationship etie say na ye time MPP ni enya yi a say na esitie ni pa ya mo appointment no mu nya yi a how do they extend omo can say benevolence to others
but say the what can you say papa no cry no sɛ MPP obi ko bi a nyɛ NDC nti na ɔkɔɛ
exactly
obi ko bi a ebi nyɛ MPP ko nti na ɔkɔɛ
yes
efisɛ papa no na ɔyɛ MPP ni
yes
ɛna sami ko mu ɛne ade nti obi ɔkɔ bi nti na edu baabi a na nkurɔfoɔ no bi ahyɛ chief justice atade sɛ waba NDC ayie no that's wrong because papa na nkasa korɔ sɛ ɔyɛ MPP ni
ɛna meka sɛ adeɛ no nipa no bebree no a ɛnte aseɛ what you say and obi draw the conclusion no obetimi draw the conclusion
okay
what you say me so me tie me kan crofo ho sem I don't know be come asem